It's not an option. The governor doesn't have an option to do something. We have to take action. It would be totally irresponsible at this point not to take actions.
A record 7,100 new cases of COVID-19 reported in Ohio today, less than 24 hours after Governor DeWine addressed the state, telling us we had 1 week to reverse the course we're on or new restrictions would be put into place. Good evening, I'm Alexis Walters. During his update today, Governor DeWine said we are facing a monumental crisis. Hospitalizations are up, ICU admissions, outpatient and emergency room visits, they're all up. It's putting a strain on healthcare workers. The governor says hospitals are telling him that the current trend is unsustainable. Now take a closer look at the Ohio's health advisory map. On the left, that's last week. On the right, that's today. 68 of Ohio's counties are in red level 3. That includes Mahoning and Trumbull counties. Columbiana County holds steady in the orange level 2. Now the numbers locally are also going up. Take a look at today's numbers. Trumbull County has 131 new cases, Mahoning 120, Columbiana 43, Mercer 88, and Lawrence 62. Now, First News reporter Lindsay Watson, she tells us more about the governor's warning as cases surge.
My hope, my prayer is that we all will be more careful. We'll all wear masks more.
A third wave of coronavirus is hitting Ohio harder than the last two. Thousands of new cases a day. Just look at the latest health advisory map. From November 5th to today, there's a lot more red. 68 counties to be exact.
We're going to have very bad consequences if this thing continues to go up at the rate it's going.
But we were warned. Back in March, Dr. Amy Acton told us during a peak surge, we could see 6,000 to 8,000 new cases a day.
6,000, 8,000 cases at the same time? Is that what you're saying? A day?
A day.
You can hear it. 8 months ago, this was almost unbelievable. But now, here we are. Governor Mike DeWine says something has to be done.
It's not an option. The governor doesn't have an option to do something. We have to take action. It would be totally irresponsible at this point not to take actions.
During his address Wednesday night, DeWine threatened to close restaurants, bars, and gyms again. He also reissued the statewide mask order with provisions for businesses.
If I could wave a wand and we were doing 90% mask compliance every place in public, I would say we got it. It's good. But we're seeing an inconsistency.
He pointed to the numbers. Just a month ago, on October 13th, we were seeing 1,400 new cases. Over the past week alone, we've been averaging at least 5,000 cases a day. DeWine looks at it from a prosecutor standpoint.
On this issue, on masks, the jury is back. And the verdict is masks work and masks are needed.
Lindsay Watson, WKBN 27 First News.